Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of glamour and fashion as we uncover the cover photoshoot choices of the sensational Rashmika Mandanna. She, known for her impeccable fashion sense, has graced numerous magazine covers, leaving fans in awe of her stunning looks. Let's explore the secrets behind some of her most iconic photoshoots. Rashmika's cover photoshoots are known for their diverse themes. From chic urban vibes to ethereal natural settings, each theme complements her personality. What caught our attention recently was her choice of a retro theme, bringing back the timeless glamour of the 80s. The actress effortlessly channels vintage charm, proving that classic styles never go out of fashion. The bold color palette and nostalgic props added a unique touch to the shoot, making it an instant hit. Her wardrobe choices are a blend of sophistication and trendsetting styles. Whether it's a glamorous gown for a high-end magazine or casual chic for a lifestyle feature, she always nails the perfect look. Look at this breathtaking gown she wore for a recent cover. The intricate details and her poise created a mesmerizing visual experience. Her ability to adapt her style to match the essence of the shoot is truly commendable. Rashmika's photoshoots are not just about her impeccable style. They're also about the breathtaking locations that serve as backdrops. From exotic beaches to urban landscapes, every setting is carefully chosen to enhance the overall aesthetic. Take a look at this beachside shoot. The sun-kissed waves and golden sands create a dreamy atmosphere that perfectly complements her radiant presence. Her ability to connect with diverse environments adds a dynamic element to her portfolio. Behind every stunning cover photo is a dedicated team of professionals, and Rashmika understands the importance of collaboration. From renowned photographers to talented stylists, the synergy of this team contributes to the success of each shoot. Rashmika's collaboration with top-notch professionals ensures that every photoshoot is a harmonious blend of creativity and expertise. It's this teamwork that elevates the final product to a masterpiece, from the girl next door charm to the epitome of glamour. This adaptability keeps her audience eagerly anticipating what's next. Just look at how effortlessly she transitions from a casual, laid-back vibe to a red carpet diva. Her willingness to embrace change and explore new facets of her style is what keeps her at the forefront of the fashion scene. Rashmika's ability to strike the perfect pose is truly an art form. Whether it's a sultry gaze, a playful candid moment, or a powerful stance, she knows how to convey a range of emotions through her poses, making each frame captivating. Look at these images where Rashmika effortlessly transitions from a fierce gaze to a whimsical smile. Her posing mastery not only showcases her modeling skills but also contributes to the overall narrative of the photoshoot. Beyond aesthetics, her cover photoshoots often tell a story. The narrative is woven through carefully curated visuals, creating a captivating storyline that resonates with the audience and adds depth to the overall experience. Whether it's a narrative of empowerment, romance, or self-discovery, Rashmika's ability to convey a compelling story through imagery elevates her photoshoots to a cinematic level. It's the storytelling element that establishes a deeper connection with her fans. The actress has become a trendsetter in the fashion realm. Her cover photoshoot choices not only showcase her personal style but also influence fashion trends, inspiring fans and fellow celebrities alike. From statement accessories to unconventional pairings, Rashmika's bold fashion choices set new standards. Designers often collaborate with her to create bespoke looks, solidifying her position as a fashion icon. Her photoshoots are often a canvas for artistic collaborations. Renowned photographers, visionary directors, and innovative stylists come together to create visual symphonies that transcend traditional norms, pushing the boundaries of conventional fashion photography. The synergy between Rashmika and these creative minds results in photoshoots that are not just about fashion but are immersive experiences. Collaborations bring fresh perspectives, adding layers of creativity that captivate audiences worldwide. In the digital age, post-production plays a crucial role in enhancing the visual appeal of cover photoshoots. Her team employs cutting-edge techniques to fine-tune details, create mesmerizing visual effects, and ensure that each image tells a compelling story. The actress infuses symbolism and hidden messages into her photoshoots. Whether it's a subtle nod to cultural heritage or a powerful statement on societal issues, these elements add depth and thought-provoking layers to the visuals. Take a closer look at this image. The use of specific colors, props, or gestures can carry profound meanings. Her ability to incorporate such symbolism elevates her photoshoots to a level of artistic expression that goes beyond the surface. Rashmika seamlessly blends diverse cultural elements into her photoshoots, creating a tapestry that celebrates her roots while embracing global influences. Each image is a reflection of her multicultural identity, resonating with audiences worldwide. Her commitment to cultural fusion adds a unique dimension to her cover photoshoots. Rashmika's commitment to authenticity extends to her styling choices. Whether it's embracing sustainable fashion or supporting local artisans, her photoshoots often reflect a conscious effort to promote ethical and meaningful fashion. From handcrafted jewelry to eco-friendly fabrics, her dedication to authentic styling not only elevates her fashion statements but also sets a positive example for the industry. Rashmika's cover photoshoots have become social media sensations, creating trends and setting new benchmarks for engagement. Her online presence is a carefully curated extension of her fashion narrative, connecting directly with fans across the globe. The strategic use of social media platforms amplifies the reach of her cover photoshoots, turning each image into a conversation starter. The ripple effect on fashion trends is undeniable, making her a digital trendsetter. Rashmika's allure extends beyond borders, and her cover photoshoots often involve international collaborations with renowned photographers, designers, and stylists. These partnerships bring a global perspective to her visual narratives, enriching the fashion tapestry with diverse influences. Take a look at these images that showcase the fusion of global styles. From the bustling streets of cosmopolitan cities to serene landscapes, the actress effortlessly transcends geographical boundaries, creating visuals that resonate universally. Beyond the glamour, Rashmika utilizes her cover photoshoot platforms to amplify social causes. Each shoot becomes an opportunity to shed light on charitable endeavors, advocating for positive change and contributing to impactful movements. Whether it's promoting sustainable fashion or supporting charitable organizations, her commitment to philanthropy adds a meaningful layer to her cover photoshoot choices, turning them into platforms for social good. Her cover photoshoots exude a timeless elegance that transcends fleeting trends. Her ability to capture the essence of classic beauty while staying on the cutting edge of contemporary fashion sets her apart as a style icon with enduring appeal. From vintage-inspired looks to modern couture, Rashmika's cover photoshoot's showcase a range of styles that stand the test of time. Her elegance resonates with audiences across generations. Her ability to convey a myriad of emotions through her expressions is truly remarkable. From playful charm to intense drama, each cover photoshoot captures the essence of her versatility as a performer and a fashion icon. Her mastery in emoting adds a dynamic dimension to the visual storytelling of each photoshoot. Over the years, Rashmika's beauty aesthetic has evolved, reflecting a harmonious blend of sophistication and modernity. Her makeup and hairstyling choices contribute significantly to the overall visual impact of her cover photoshoots. From natural, dewy looks to bold and experimental styles, her beauty evolution showcases her willingness to embrace diverse trends while staying true to her own unique flair. Each cover photoshoot is a canvas where artistic nuances come to life. The interplay of light and shadow, the strategic use of props, and the attention to detail in composition contribute to the creation of visually stunning masterpieces. Her photoshoots are not just about fashion, they're about storytelling through visual art. The deliberate artistic choices elevate her work to a level where every frame is a captivating piece of expression. Rashmika's cover photoshoots transcend traditional fashion spreads, often adopting cinematic storytelling techniques. Each frame becomes a visual chapter, and the sequencing of images tells a compelling narrative that captivates the audience. Her ability to convey emotion and storyline through her photoshoots adds a layer of depth that resonates with a diverse audience. Rashmika Mandanna has become a cultural icon, shaping perceptions of beauty and style. Her cover photoshoot choices not only reflect her individuality but also contribute to redefining standards and promoting inclusivity within the fashion industry. Her influence extends beyond fashion magazines, inspiring a positive shift in how beauty is perceived on a broader cultural scale. Rashmika's magnetic presence on cover photoshoots has attracted numerous fashion collaborations and endorsements. Top designers and brands often seek to align with her, leading to exclusive collections and brand ambassadorships. Her collaborations bridge the gap between luxury and everyday style, making fashion more accessible and relatable to her diverse audience. Her fashion journey is a captivating evolution that spans varied styles, from bohemian chic to sophisticated elegance. Each cover photoshoot becomes a visual timeline, showcasing her versatility and growth as a style icon. Rashmika's ability to adapt to different fashion eras and experiment with diverse looks demonstrates her prowess as a trendsetter. Rashmika's cover photoshoots often serve as a catalyst for emerging fashion trends. From bold accessories to color palettes, her choices set the stage for what's to come, inspiring fashion enthusiasts and industry insiders alike. Keep an eye on the details. Notice how certain elements from Rashmika's photoshoots find their way into mainstream fashion, influencing designers and shaping the direction of upcoming trends. Her commitment to promoting emerging designers is evident in her cover photoshoot choices. By featuring creations from rising talents, she not only elevates her own style but also amplifies the voices of those breaking into the fashion scene. Rashmika's hairstyles in cover photoshoots are a testament to her daring spirit and ability to effortlessly switch between looks, from chic bobs to flowing curls. Each hairstyle becomes a defining element, contributing to the overall aesthetic of the shoot. Marvel at the variety of hairstyles Rashmika effortlessly dons. Her bold experimentation with different textures and lengths not only complements her fashion choices but also serves as inspiration for fans and stylists worldwide. The artistry of makeup in Rashmika's cover photoshoots is nothing short of spectacular. Meticulously curated looks, whether it's the subtle glam or bold statements, contribute to the overall narrative, highlighting her facial features and capturing the essence of each theme. Her collaboration with skilled makeup artists adds a layer of sophistication, making each photoshoot a canvas of exquisite beauty. The actress actively engages in the creative process of her cover photoshoots, collaborating with photographers, stylists, and makeup artists. Her input and vision contribute to the synergy that produces visually stunning outcomes. Witness the collaborative energy behind the scenes, where her insights contribute to the cohesion of the entire photoshoot. This hands-on approach ensures that each image aligns with her artistic vision. Rashmika's cover photoshoots are marked by signature fashion statements that leave an indelible mark. From bold accessories to distinctive silhouettes, each photoshoot showcases her unique sense of style, setting her apart as a trendsetter. As we wrap up our exploration of Rashmika Mandanna's cover photoshoot choices, it's evident that her fashion game is always on point. Each photoshoot is a testament to her versatility and the ability to capture the essence of the moment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.